Ever since I started this YouTube channel, I made a lot of videos on exposing prop firm, and today's video is the same video where I will be exposing a new prop firm. Not new because it's an old one, which is FundedNext. So I have some proofs with the FundedNext, so I will be showing those proofs to you. Now guys, you can't be on the same level as you were before. You really need to level up because you have to have a perspective where you can clearly see, is this the prop firm where I need to go or not? You need to look for red flags in any prop firm. So that's why this is not that kind of video where I will only showing you all the scam proofs, but also I will give you a perspective, and with that you can clearly see if any prop firm is a scam or not. So before we dive deep into this video, consider hitting that subscribe button and also do follow us on the social media. So let's get started. Now guys, first of all, you need to change your thinking because your thinking is totally different from a business perspective, because these prop firms are here to do their business and you need to really think in terms of businessman, not in terms of trader. Because whenever you open your that thinking where you are going to purchase any account, you're only looking for discount and buy one get one free offer. These things are the scam and you really need to find them. So before I show you every single proof of FundedNext why it is a scammy prop firm right now, you need to really change your perspective. And to do that, let's understand the model, how actually a prop firm works. So first of all, in a prop firm there are two kind of traders. First one is loser and second one is winner. Simply, whoever loses the challenges, he is going to pay the fee for the challenge, and that fee is going to go to that trader who is making profits. So simply there is a simple balance that 90% traders are losers, they are losing money, and 10% traders are winners, they are winning again and again. So what happens usually whenever we find a gap between this model, then usually disaster happens. Let's say there are 90% of traders that are losing money, at the same time 10% are the traders who are making money. So if 10% traders are making more money than the losers, then the problem starts from there. Let's say if 90% traders are losing $500,000 and 10% traders are making $1 million. So the gap, here's the gap of 500k. So that amount is the losing amount that prop firm is losing. But the model of a prop firm really sustainable for the beginning. So this model of a prop firm really sustainable, but depends on the prop firm. Is it going to scam the people or not? So this is what happening in the FundedNext, because there is an imbalance between this model. So what is happening right now, FundedNext don't have that much enough trader who are losing money. At the same time, some traders are making huge amount of money. So they have some problems, and that's why they are playing around with the scammy things. And I always recommend, before you purchase any prop firm, you go and read FAQ section, because that's where you see the hidden rules and all kind of stuff. Because a lot of you guys DM me on Instagram that I got scammed by that prop firm, and when I see that is there any scam or not, then I saw something in the FAQ section. So you really need to make sure before you purchase any prop firm, because that's the important thing. Now guys, back in the day when FundedNext started its prop firm, many were saying that the FundedNext is a scammy prop firm because they denied our payout. But after improving a lot, FundedNext really became a good prop firm that was giving payout to the traders. And I had two accounts with the FundedNext at that point. So back in the day, FundedNext was providing payouts and everything was really well. But right now they are playing some scammy things with the traders, and those poor traders are just don't know about the rules and regulations. Now it's not about the rules and regulations. I got many messages from you guys that FundedNext scammed you. So let me tell you the whole story and then you will know what I'm trying to say. So first of all, a guy called me and then he was saying I got scammed by FundedNext, and that was my friend. So he was saying FundedNext scammed me because they didn't give my credentials from 2 weeks. So that's the really a large time frame. Now if a prop firm is not giving you credentials from 2 weeks, what would you call it? And I was thinking there, this is the only thing that happened rarely in FundedNext. Another guy came to me and emailed me actually, and he was saying there I didn't got my payout from 2 weeks. Like the time frame is the same, 2 weeks and 2 weeks. First one didn't get his credentials and second one didn't get his payout. So everything was really bad at that point. So I was really thinking about one thing, is FundedNext really scam or not? And the third guy came to me and he said the same thing, that FundedNext is not giving my credentials. That's where I got doubt on the FundedNext. And yesterday one guy emailed me with some proofs. I'll show you what happened to him and why he stuck in the FundedNext. So really he passed his challenges and every single thing. Everything was really well with him. But when it comes to the payout, when he requested the payout, FundedNext denied his payout due to a silly reason. Why I'm saying this, I will tell you the reason with some proofs because I got the email. I will show you the email. So right now I can clearly say that the FundedNext is becoming more dangerous. I said to you, if you really want to purchase any account in FundedNext, I don't know about the big accounts like 50k or 100k. I really know one thing. If you go to the FundedNext and you purchase a $5,000 account, maybe they can give you the payout. But when it comes to the larger account, then the problem starts from there. So right now I will show you what happened to the guy. So let me show you that. So here, as you can see, we hope this message finds you well. We are reaching out to address certain concerns that have arisen from a review of your recent trading activities on FundedNext. Our investigation has identified patterns in your account that suggest potential violation of our trading policies. Now they are saying here that you violated a rule, and what is that rule? I will show you. The reason that they are showing is just baseless. Specifically, we have observed instances of trading activity in your account that closely resemble those in another trader's account. Such patterns raise questions about possible similar trading, which as per our policies are strictly prohibited. This includes similar trading between two accounts not owned by same individual. Now they are putting allegation on the trader that he used two accounts to copy his trades, and it called signals, or you can call it copy trading. That is not allowed in FundedNext. So what happened really, I will show you. Now guys, you cannot copy trades from two accounts. You have to have the ownership of both accounts, okay? If you are the owner of $50,000 account and if your friend has $10,000 account, you can't really copy your trades with your friends because the owner are different. So you have to be the owner of both accounts, okay? Then you will be able to copy your trades. So what happened in this case, they are putting allegation on the trader that he used two accounts to copy his trades. Now here, as you can see, in addition, activities such as pass year challenge, copy trading services or signal services are not allowed on our platform. We aim to ensure that all traders operate independently and ethically, maintaining a fair and healthy trading environment. So as I said to you, they are putting allegation of using signals or copy the trading services, okay? This is not the real thing because they are lying in. Now this is the email that he got. John from FundedNext. Hello, thank you providing for explanation and willingness to participate in an interview for further clarification. After conducting a thorough investigation, we have identified a significant 36% similarity in trading patterns between your account and trader. This is the trader ID. Now what they are saying, simply they have sent the one image. I will show you the later, and in that image this is the trader ID where they are claiming that his trades are matching with this trader, okay? And the similarity between both accounts is 36%. 36% matches in opening times and 18% matches in closing time, which cannot be attributed to mere coincidence. As per our terms of service, FundedNext maintains the right to terminate accounts immediately and cancel agreements due to engaging in prohibited trading practices. Now guys, here is the thing, they violated the account without even having any reason. Here they are saying this trader account ID and the account ID of the victim are matching with 36%, and 36% similarity in opening times and 18% in closing times. So literally this is the victim account, okay? As you can see, the everything is here in front of your eyes. You can see this is the opening time and the closing time here. This is the closing time and this is the opening time, and the lot size he used and also the price where he took buy, okay? So as you can see, he buy again buy, and these are the buying prices. So now he is trading only NAS 100 and nothing else. So these are the details. You can pause the video and see all the things. And this is the trader number 2 where they are claiming that both accounts are matching. So you can see every single thing, like the trades that he took and the trades that the other trader took. So this is the second screenshot that they sent from them. He is also trading NAS 100. So they are saying both screenshots are matching, and really the victim really doesn't know about this thing, where they get this screenshot. Like he don't know about these things. I was laughing at these pictures. As you can see, now it will be very clear for you. So here just focus on the opening time at first, so you can clearly see. So here's the timing, as you can see, open time, and he bought a Nasdaq, and the lot size that he used and the closing time, and you can clearly see how much difference there is between these two pictures, okay? The price is totally different, okay? See, there is not a single price that he took, okay? this is the price that he took and this is the price that they sent. Also the closing time is totally different. Closing time starts with the 16 and he just closed his trades at the 18. And other things as well, 16, 32, 34, he opened his trades at 18 and closed his trade at 18. But they are saying that he used an account to copy his trades. So that's the silliness of this platform, and I really didn't get the point and why they are putting allegation on the trader. So that's the issue with them. Now guys, I really want to show you one more thing. And now guys, in front of you, as you can see, this is the gold chart. So I'm just showing you an example. Let's say if we both have learned something from our teacher, like we have same mentor. So what we can expect here, you can clearly see, let's say this is your support. Okay, this is your support. Both me and you have learned the same thing from one teacher. So our teacher said to us, whenever there is Friday or Monday, market usually don't come for the retest. So whenever your support or resistance break, take trade immediately. So we have seen that this is the support area and this candle broke the support. Okay, so what you are going to do, you are placing your trade here and you are putting your stop loss here, and your target is going to be this low, and this is the trade that your friend took as well. So now as you can see, the price is the same. Okay, the level is 2443.035. the level where you took this entry and your friend took the entry the same, and your opening time is same. Maybe you may have difference between the closing time, but your opening time is equal. This is the obvious thing. Like if you are trading platforms, there are many traders. Like it is the normal thing. If you are trading a concept, maybe other guy is trading the same concept. If you are trading ICT, maybe, and ICT is very strict thing. Like if you are trading Euro USD with ICT, what you look for, buy side liquidity taken out, and then you will target sell side liquidity. That's the obvious thing that every ICT traders do. There is no way they can escape from this. So now the FundedNext is saying whatever trades the trader took, trades are matching by 36%. 36%. Okay, now 36% is very common. If you are taking these kind of trades which I have shown you right here, as you can see, this kind of trade, then your opening price is the same. Okay, for the other trader as well. This is very bad thing. Like if a trader is using same concept, if two traders or 10 traders here are using same concept, then there is a probability of more than 50%. If both traders are taking trades and their trades are matching more than 50%, okay, then you can say that they are using any trade copier or anything else. But without even having that thing with the 50%, you cannot say that they are doing copy trading or they are using signals. Okay, that's the very wrong thing I have ever seen. FundedNext has to give the payout of that trader. If somebody has teacher or like ICT, their style of trading is going to be the same. Okay, maybe they're little bit different, so they have to measure that with the proper logical thinking. Like he only got 336% similarity, and they are putting allegation that that his closing time is 18% similar, and they were saying this is not the coincidence. Like they are using some tricks to you to not to give you payout. That's the simple thing. And other thing is that if he was passing his challenge with the same strategy, then you should tell him that you are using copy trading or anything else. Then he was not using anything, but after he makes something on that funded account, then the problem start from there. So that's the issue with the funded next, and that's what every platform usually do with you, because usually some poor platforms don't like to give you payout, and that's why they play some bad things with you. Okay, so that's the only problem with the funded next.